Sir, at Chatichilo almost starts, they are hanging themselves on the tree, on the roof, because I'm not on goodwill. No, once prior to that, now it was already dwindling. To say no, for the first time on X, I made a post about NPP first. Who make a post about His Excellency, the ex-president Nana Addo for the attempt. I ever was, just say, and it's easy. But for the first time, making posts, all my true posts, about 95% of them were good comments. And people are starting to realize that government, only Ghana, government, only on the year Bibia Emma a on my Ghana. They should continue. We will continue to hold them accountable to ensure, say, more promise, say, they will stay, they will fulfill them. We will continue to expose it for the good Ghanaian people to see, say, government will or they nada said be any better than Ghanafuɔ. Am I to about the man? And it's sad, especially for young youth, say they campaigned solely on creation of jobs. Some about the 24-hour economy. Am I mebunu no swenya kind of saying my friend is saying Ejuma aye. Only for them to come, their main flagship program, they say you be the nakofa. Na do mobile yo muka somba be free SHC. We all saw it, say it's happening. We all saw say ye Juma. By this time, not first batch. Omaye den almost benefited from the free SHS. And this government 24-hour economy say we don't know what is going on. Was it just a mirage? Did they lie to Ghanaians? What was it? Because it's a main flagship campaign message. That means you have failed. Aside from that, you are attacking my democracy. See, no say, to me in Kasa, they say no, so can't assemble 1, 2 beer. No more call for no, we are recording you. They don't take the original one. No, Mama Kasa de, you can't somehow make your own edits to incriminate you. But keep that same energy. Keep that same energy when power shifts, even if it's in 50 years. Even if it's in 50 years, power is going to change because power will be transient. Even if it's in 50 years, I'm just saying they should keep that energy. Keeping the power best. And me, I'm very, 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 very of a great view. Say 2029 or NPP. About winning 2028 general elections because they don't have anything to do for Ghana. Ghana. And I'm a catcher mono. John Mahama Obaye. The only successful thing I wait to me a pad on Lankastani moon. 18 years, I am a Ghana, a pad at Taxation on motor chair, one day, and I do so almost Sunday doing so. Almost Sunday doing so sign by. So, all I'm saying is, say, right now in Ghana, security cry and never saw my name. But now, we are cooking, but now we say, I never basa. She said another buy omutimi on a IGP dampare etimi the discipline of my name. Now for the not prophecy, some of them they were starting to instill fear among the citizens. And then they managed it.
NPP, that time fear.
What's say?
That time now. And come shall now muntimension.
Yes.
Now you get the coca fear.
Yes. Yes. So, he was able to manage them in a sense. Say, na afin tisa ena ehunu say ehunu asamba back. Ometima ya de hu kra sanche president ma afede. Akwate office of Sunsum Affairs and Ewimetumfo eyi office. President. Mudi ehum. Oma ya di ehum ashe. Eyi presidency mu John Dramani Mahama. Ama se say papa yi. Or the ahometie ne frustration ne sadness. Akote eyi office of eyi sunsumo affairs and ewiemetumfo office. And it's I said, the country is on autopilot, it's on standstill, nothing is going on. Nothing is going on. Muslim my yama dolly basro, basro. But then it does not affect the common goods and services in the country. So what is the benefit to the average Ghanaian? What is the benefit? Mobile petrol prices in less than 8 months at August 16 you cry and samba be kosro. So what is the essence of a crude oil na and what global markets na eswatino? What is the essence? What is the benefit for the average Ghanaian? Mo the D-levy so samba be pay so. Aden in just about 6 months you've been able to introduce close to a kind of saying 16% taxes and levies, about 10 the taxes 8 no and 2 levies no, that's about 10 am I imposing on Ghanafuɔ. Meanwhile, you campaigned and said that you will not be introducing new taxes or be increasing taxes. That's what Atuforsen told us. So what is happening? You say one thing when you were in opposition, you come into power, you've been given power and you are doing the other. It looks like the NDC actually performs better when they're in opposition. So I'm urging all NPP for Monsoron Kotoba 2029. These people, they have nothing for you. They do not. Omuni bibia de ma and you cannot tell me say dollar above for me to know idea. You base that. In fact, no. How many tons and media can gold reserves no home? Now saying join news, they've not even been able to add up to a ton. They've not. Meanwhile, they are parading themselves, say, and a gold board, meaning gold board, no. Sa ejapadia de na omode babekas na na domono. Omuna no mashasha one on NPP for kong. And now we are seeing that.
Aye.
You come to Ghana locally, and then you say there is no G4O. The gold for oil, it never existed. But you go and stand on a global platform and commend the gold for oil. So that means Atuforsen lied through his teeth. Lied to Ghanaians. Aha na mubetimi etwa nkontompo. Aha. And na mubetimi adada Ghanafuɔ. But when you go on the global stage, the truth is there. And the IMF I be exposing will say, you should calm down on the way more nanny and gold. And they pumping strengthening you calm down because at some point it's going to create a bottleneck. And for the Benji boom. I won't be surprised said by the end of August. $9 every call 11 cities. I will not be surprised. They say no, and then I'm 10.70 per Bank of Ghana. Of course, Abuchi Dieno is around 14 cities in Tino, and on podium personal can want some. Everything investors are running away. Shoprites a January free Ghana. Shoprites it did not seem Johnny because I mean there's no protection in that nation. When I'm and say NPP is in power, they are but fights never more than more on my but NPP in the was and MDs in the waso. And yamuna waso. Intino and I'm cannot say. If you are an NDC, so you're listening to me, accountability will be a necessity. We will not stop. We will continue to hold your government accountable. We will continue to expose the shortcomings of the government. We will make sure, say, governments will perform better. That's what the opposition party is there for. And you can't bomb so more backlash. O mako visit in Kolei, Mami, 16 kids, and o mako visit families. No, meanwhile, they wouldn't have. They were sitting down. They can't mama no. Yen opposition for no. And so we are telling them, say, the NPP will come back stronger. The elephant family, we are resilient. This is not the first time they are doing something, oppressing us. We know anytime they come into power, they do it. But we always rise above it, and we are going to rise above it. And I know 2029, the elephant family is coming back into power. na yɛba back a we will make Ghana great